Hello, my dear student. I hope you all are fine and doing study at your home. Welcome back again with the revisional notes and videos of your social study. So, today we are going to cover chapter 14 Means of Transport. Chapter name Means of Transport. Okay, students. So, let's start the chapter. Chapter 14 Means of Transport. As you know that students, means of transport, let's do it. Which of these have you travelled by? Circle them. That means water transport, ship, water transport, train, land transport, aeroplane, air transport. Like this car, scooter, aeroplane, elephant, bicycle, auto rickshaw, tractor, bullock carts, buses, helicopter and auto rickshaw. Which did you like traveling by the most? Why do you like it? Have you traveled by any vehicles that are not so here? Tell your teacher about them. Okay, students, three types of means of transport. That means water transport, land transport and air transport. Okay, students. How do you travel from home to school? Do you walk or do you take the school buses or a rickshaws? Buses, rickshaw and cars are different means of transport in our daily life. Means of transport are the way by which we move people and goods from one place to another. Long ago, people did not have all these means of transport. They used to walk for long distance. Later, they learned to use animals to carry people and goods. Then we will was invented and wheeled carts were made. These carts were drawn by animals. People built rafts and boats to travel across rivers and the sea. However, all the means of transport were very slow. Look at the picture. People walked a long distance. People walked long distance. Early humans, 200 years ago, people long traveled distance. A cart drawn by a horse. A cart drawn by a horse. A raft is made by tying together pieces of wood. A raft is made by tying together pieces of wood or long with rope. Over time, human beings started making faster and better means of transport, like cars, buses, trains, and planes. These could take us to faraway place very quickly. Let us read about some of the important means of transport. The three main modes of transport are land transport, water transport and Air transport. As you know that students, land transport, water transport and air transport. What is this? Land transport. The forms of transport that move on land, such as buses, cars, scooters and trains are called land transport. Animals are also an important means of land transport, like that camel, mule, horse and elephant. Bullock carts and tanga are used in many parts of India. Tangas are small horse-drawn carts. In desert, camels are used to carry people and goods. In forest, elephants are used to carry wood in hilly places. Mule and pony are also used as means of transport. Bullock carts, cycles, buses, scooters and tractors are used as means of transport in village, like this goods being transported on a bullock carts. Like this use of transport bullock carts in village. A tanga, a camel, a mule. Camel use transport in desert. Mule use transport in hilly place. And tanga use transport up on the road. Okay? Train are very useful. Based people, they also carry food, coal, letters and other important goods. Some smokes from vehicles deserts the air and make us fall ill. Avoid using vehicles for traveling short distance. Try to walk where you can. Walking also help to keep our bodies fit. In city, tractor, bicycle. In city, people travel by bicycle, scooters, auto rickshaw, cars and buses. Some cities also have the metro rail and local trains. So students, look at the pictures of means of transport, that means land transport. Auto rickshaw, look at the picture. Auto rickshaw, bolero, bus, scooter, bicycle, cycle and so on. Okay. There are different means of transport in a city. Most cities have so many vehicles that traffic jams like these are common. At times, we need to travel long distance, for examples, from one city to another. Then we usually use train. Trains run on railway tracks. Okay. Water transport. We use boats, ferry and ship to carry people and goods across water. We usually use boats to cross rivers and ships to cross sea. Water transport is slow, but it is one of the cheapest way of transporting. Heavy and bulky materials like machines, food, grains, oil and coal. A ship on the sea. A ship on the sea. A boat crossing a river. A ferry carrying people, vehicles, and goods across rivers and land. Air transport. Aeroplanes and helicopters fly in the sky. Aeroplanes are the fastest and one of the most expensive means of transport. We use aeroplanes when we needed to travel over long distance. We also use them when we want to reach a place quickly. An aeroplane. Helicopters are used to rescue people in highly airs in times of danger. That means water transport, a ship on the sea, a boat crossing a river, a ferry carries people, vehicles and goods across river and land. Air transport, an aeroplane, helicopter are used to rescue people in hilly areas in times of danger. Means of transport are the way by which we move people and goods from one place to another. Long ago, when none of the modern means of transport were there, people had to walk long distance. Later, they began using animals and the wielded carts to carry people and goods. Now, there are three main modes of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. The forms of transport that move on land, such as cars, trains, and buses, are called and land transport. The forms of transport that move on water, such as boats, ship, and raft, are water transport. The forms of transport that fly in the sky, like aeroplanes and helicopters, are used for long distance. We use them when we want to reach a place quickly. Okay students, now come to the exploring new words. Means of transport. The different way by which we move people and goods from one place to another. Draw. To pull something. To pull something. Cart. Of vehicles on 2 or 4 wheels, pulled or pushed by people or animals. Ferry. A boat that travels regularly between two places. Raft. A means of water transport made by tying long together with rope. Now come to the next question, filling in the blanks. So first one, a dash is a vehicles on 2 or 4 wheels pulled by people or animals. Cart. C-A-R-T. Cart. Second one, indigent dash are used to carry goods and people. Indigent are used to carry goods and people. As do you know students? Camel. C-A-M-E-L-S. Camels. Now third one, tractors and bullock carts are a common means of transport in fill in dash village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Now fourth one, usually boats are used to cross dash and ship to cross dash. river, R-I-V-E-R, river. C-S-E-A. Usually, boats are used to cross river and ship to cross sea. Now, fifth one, a helicopter is means of dash transport. Air, A-I-R, air. A helicopter is means of air transport. Is that clear? Now come to the next question. Question number 2. Mark the following sentences as true or false. Okay. So first one. We did not have any means of transport before cars were made. True or false? False. Right letter F. Now second one. Land and water are the only two modes of transport. True or false? False. Animals cannot be used to carry people from one place to another. False. Fourth one. Train runs on a railway track. True. Fifth one. We use aeroplanes when we want to reach a place quickly. True. Okay, students. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day, student. Bye and take care.